Hey guys, so in this particular video we are going to learn our final project, that is the backend web development project that we were having. I hope that it will be very easy for you guys and you won't be facing any issues with that. Now let's talk about the certificates, right? So like I said, in today's bootcamp as well, there will be no attendance because the timing has been changed, and we take care of these things for you. But as far as your certificates go, on just the basis of your attendance itself, you guys will be receiving two certificates, that is the DevTown and the Microsoft certificate, that will be sent to you guys in the next 2 to 3 days itself. Along with that, you will also be receiving the Google certificate, but there will be an eligibility criteria for the Google certificate. So for example, if you have attended this bootcamp and you have already got your DevTown and your Microsoft certificate, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys and will be giving you guys a small task. So instead of having the project as the task, I am expecting that you guys will be doing the project yourself. Do put it up on your resume, guys. That is the reason why you guys are here, to put up your resume projects on your resume. So somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys and will be giving you guys a very small task. And once the task has been completed, they will be taking up your verification of the task, and on the basis of that, within that particular day itself, by 9th, you will be receiving your Google certificates as well. For the Amazon certificates, there will be another session called as the career counseling session that will be notified to you guys via email very soon. So if you guys are attending that particular session, then you will be getting the Amazon certificates as well. So now that you guys know about the certificates, let's start with today's class. There's a lot to cope up with. There's a lot that we have to do today. So make sure that you guys are able to focus a lot upon it. If any questions or queries are there, you guys are not able to understand something, put down in the comment section itself. Somebody from DevTown will be able to help you guys out with that. Okay, I hope that you guys are able to complete the project, and thank you so much for being in the bootcamp, guys, and love you guys a lot. Thank you so much. Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Hello, guys. Hello. Hi. Hi. Okay, give me a second, guys. Give me a second. एंड में आ गया होगा, वरना तो इतना ही था यार। मैं तो आईपीएल फॉलो नहीं करता। Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, okay. So, guys, the last 2 days we had our holiday due to Eid, and yesterday due to some technical difficulties itself. So now we'll be having the classes at this really point of time itself, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so could you guys let me know what is the last thing that we had did before we went off for our holiday of 2 days? Could you guys just remind me once again, just a quick revision, guys. There's a quick revision. What have we studied in the last day that we had our class itself, guys? Could you guys let me know? We studied about express packages. Resound is coming. What is resound? I don't know what is resound. I think so. This should be fine, right? Okay. We started about Express. We stopped on sending an HTML file in Express. Okay. So we learned about NodeMon. We learned about NPM. We learned about Express. We learned about send file. We learned about handling a GET request itself. Right. All these things we have learned about. Right, guys? Or else I'm wrong. Please let me know. We have learned about all these things. Right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Yes? Great, guys. Awesome. Awesome. We learned about request and response as well, right? Good. So what we're going to do right now is that we are going to continue from right over there, and we are going to learn about one more thing, that is how to handle post requests. Right over there, guys. How to handle post requests. Right now we are just handling a get request. What is the difference between a get request and a post request? That is also something that we need to understand, right? So let us start with that, guys. Let us start with that. Let me unpin this message from right over here. And let me power out your chat. Echo of your sound is coming. Is the echo coming for everybody, or this is just for one particular person? Is the echo coming for everybody, or this is just for one particular person itself? Could you guys let me know? Highest jobs, data engineer, please verify once, then scientist. No, not at all. This is not at all true. Please try to understand it. No matter which particular position that you are applying for, data scientist, data analyst, data engineer, it is not you who decide which particular position that you're going to go for. It is the company who decides that. So you are not actually applying for any of these positions. The company decides whether they want to put you as a data analyst or a data engineer or a data scientist or a software engineer right over there. Okay. What you have to do for all these positions is study just data science. There is nothing different right over there. You have to study data science for becoming a data analyst. You have to study data science for becoming a data engineer. You have to study data science for becoming an AI ML engineer. You want to become a data scientist, you have to study data science itself. You have to want to become a software engineer, you have to study data science itself. There's no change right over there, guys. Okay, now there is no echo. No, it's clear. Only for one only. Okay, no issues in that. If it is for one, then just leave it right over there itself. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we will be trying to understand our concept of what is the difference between a get request and a post request itself, guys. Okay, so right over here, guys, let us have this particular aspect. You are having your computer. Okay, this is our computer, guys. Okay, and then this is our server right over here. Okay, computer and our server. So post request is basically when you write www.google.com. Okay, www.google.com itself. Okay, I am sending I want to get access to this particular server. So this is a get request. Okay, that please get me the HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. Okay, please get HTML, CSS, JavaScript file itself. That is a get request right over here. Okay, then you are having your forms. Okay, you open up google.com, you are having a particular search bar right over here, and you write something, for example DevTown. Okay, you search for dev TOW and DevTown. So a new request is getting sent to the server. This time the request is getting sent with some information as well. Okay, this time you are sending a request with an information, that is the search term of DevTown. Okay, think about it as post offices. You guys know post offices, right? Please let me know. You guys are able to understand what is the meaning of postman, right? You're posting some data, right? You are taking up an envelope, you're putting some letter inside of it, and you're posting it from one place to another. Right over here as well, instead of the letter, you're posting a data from your computer to the server itself. This type of request where you send some data from your end to the server, instead of asking some data, you're sending some data right over there, is called as a post request, guys. It's called as a post request. That is the difference between a get request and a post request. In a get request, you send that, okay, please get me the HTML, CSS and JavaScript file. In a post request, you are like, here is some information, take it. Okay, do something with this and show it to me. Okay, so you're sending some information inside of the post. You're posting some information right over there. Are you guys able to understand the difference between a get request and a post request, guys? Please let me know. I'm very sorry, guys. My throat is not that great. Okay. From 6 o'clock, I've been taking from 6 to 7 for 7:30. I had been taking up one career counseling session. After that, from 7:30 to 8:45, I had been taking up one boot camp. Now from 8:45 to 9:45, I'll be taking up another boot camp. Then from 10 o'clock, I'll be having my industrial training class. So that will go on for 2 more hours from 10 o'clock to 12. So today there's a lot of things that I'm going to have to say right over there. Okay, so if my voice is not sounding out great, just pardon me for that. Just make sure that you're still listening to what I have to teach and you're still trying to help. Okay, you're trying to understand as much as possible itself. Okay, so make sure that you guys are listening to me carefully. It is very simple to understand it. There's nothing too different that you're studying right over here, guys. Okay, so again, the difference between a get request and a post request is very same. In the get request, you're saying that get me the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files. Whereas in the post request, you are sending some information, you're posting some information to the server that take it. Okay, give me something in behalf of this. Okay, that is what you are doing right over here, guys. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to go back to our website. Okay, we are going to go and find out our repellent from yesterday itself or day before, or what is day before day yesterday. Okay, a long way back. So repellent, guys. We're working upon repellent itself, right, guys? Or I have forgotten about it. I don't remember. We were working on repellent itself, right, guys? Yes, great. So let us see our repels. I think so. We had created our repel itself. Did I create my repel right over here, or was I using something else? I don't want to write everything once again. I'm not able to find my repel. I found it. I found it. Yay. Okay. I was like, yeah, I don't want to write it once again. I'm going to die if I do that. Okay, no issues in that. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first find out the code that we have to use right now. I've already written the code, HTML code, guys. I'll be giving you guys the HTML code as well, so you don't have to worry about it. So I'm just hiding my background for 2 seconds to find the code, guys. Give me a second. I know the background is black. So in the meanwhile, you guys can keep on looking at my pretty face. Okay. In the meanwhile, I'll find the HTML file that I've created for you guys. Okay. While you guys are looking at my very pretty face, I will try to find the HTML code that I've created for you. So just wait for 2 minutes, guys, so that I'm able to find the HTML code that I've created for you guys. I've kept it somewhere. I just need to find it. Okay, I found it as well. I'm very fast. That's great, man. Okay, so I found the code as well, guys. Let me open up the code for you guys and let me show you guys the screen as well. Okay, so let me show you guys the screen. Let me make my very not so pretty face again small so that you guys can ignore it for a little bit more time. And let me create the display capture once again. Okay, so right over here, guys, I've created a small HTML code for you guys. I'll be providing this code to you guys tomorrow as well, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, so what you have to do is I'm coming into my I'll just drag it out from right over here. Right over here, guys, as you're able to see, we are currently present into our intro to node folder, guys. Are you guys able to see? We're currently present into our intro to node folder. Okay, click on these particular 3 buttons on the top right corner to intro to node. Are you guys able to see on the right corner to intro to node these 3 buttons itself? Please let me know, guys. Once you click upon that, I want you guys to click on add file, guys. I want to click on add file. I'll be providing you. Okay. Shit, I don't want to add my file like this. I wanted to upload my file. Okay. So let's do one thing. Instead of clicking over there, let's click on this particular files itself. Inside of the files, you are having this particular button, 3 buttons. We're going to click on that and then click on upload file. We're going to click on upload file from right over here. I'm going to select the file that I've created for you guys. This index.html file that I've created for you guys. Just I'm going to open it up right over there, guys. As you're able to see, I've shifted. So now this index.html file is present inside of our replet itself. It is present inside of our replet itself, guys. I'm going to drag and drop this into our intro to node folder, guys. I'm going to drag and drop it into our intro to node folder. Okay. Yes, override this file. As you're able to see right over here, guys, our index.html file, I have put it up inside of our intro to node folder, guys. I put it up inside of our intro to node. So I uploaded it and I dragged and dropped it into my intro to node folder itself, guys. As simple as that. So I've already created this page for you guys. I'll be providing this particular code to you guys tomorrow, so you don't have to worry about it, guys. So what we are going to do is we are going to run this particular shell command once again. We are going to run our server once again, guys. So cd intro to node. First we need to go into our folder and then we want to start our servers. What is the command to start our server, guys? Please let me know. What is the command to start our server, guys? Please let me know. What is the command to start our server, guys? Please let me know. No, guys, not nodemon index dot html, not index.js, guys. Nodemon index.js, guys. This is what you want to run right over here. So we'll start our nodemon server for index.js, as you are able to see from right over here. Now we'll open up our browser itself. So let me find out the browser tabs. Okay, web view, and we'll open it up in a new page itself. So as you're able to see, this is the HTML file that we are now sending through our index.js. If you don't remember, we were sending the index.html file, guys. The same file that I uploaded right now, we are sending that. So as you're able to see, you are able to see this particular HTML file that I've created for you guys right over here. We are sending this particular file, which has two particular numbers that we have to provide as an input. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. This is the file. This is the index.html file that you will be accessing. You will be able to access from the website itself, guys. Now I put up my first number as 12 and the second number as 5 right over here. Just random numbers, I'm putting it up right over here. And I press on calculate. You are able to see you are getting the very same error. Cannot post forward slash. You're getting the very same error right over here, guys. Cannot post forward slash. Why? Because currently your backend has no code to handle post requests at the root of the website itself, guys. You are having the method to handle the get request. But right now when you're clicking on a form submission, you're trying to post some data to the backend itself. You don't have, your backend has no code to handle post requests. That is what we are going to build right over here, guys. We are going to handle a post request right over here right now. But before that, let us look at something else as well. If this is the website that we were having, let me refresh the website, guys. Let me refresh the website and I will do a right click. I will go into the inspect option. I'll do a right click. I'll go into the inspect option, guys. And from there, as you're able to see, there are a lot of different options right over here. I'll go into network. I'll go into network from right over here, guys. Console element sources network. I'm going into network right over here. Again, I'm going to enter my first number as 12. Again, I'm going to enter my second number as 5 right over here, guys. And I'm going to click on calculate. As you're able to see, something happened inside of the network. Did you guys see that? Something happened inside of the network itself. You're getting this green line right over there. Some data was exchanged between our website itself. Some data was sent right over there itself, guys. Okay. So if we click on this particular data, you are able to see that we are getting a 404 error. Status is showing as 404. Okay. Status is being shown as 404 itself, guys. Okay, it's able to see this. Status is showing as 404. What is the meaning of this 404? Okay, we don't know. There are many HTTP status that are there. Okay, let me show you guys a meme so that I'm able to easily make you guys understand that. HTTP status code meme. Okay, so let me find the status code meme for you guys so that I'm able to easily make you guys understand the concepts in a much more easier manner. Okay, I got one of the things. What is the next particular part? Where are you? The meme. Yeah, this is the meme, guys. Okay, so any kind of 100 error that you're getting at that point of time, that means that, hold up, we are loading it for you. if you're getting a 100 HTTP code, okay, there are many codes right over there, guys, many status codes that are there. Okay, you're getting 100 or 101, 102, 103, 104 right over there. That means you are currently loading up. We are currently loading up the page for you. The process is currently going on. If you're getting somewhere around 200 error code, guys, you're getting 200 status code itself. That means everything worked properly, everything is working absolutely fine. Okay, good to go. Okay, good to go itself. Here you go. Everything you have got it properly itself. If you're getting a 300 status code, if you're getting a 300 status code itself, that means you are not permitted to allow this. You're not authorized to access this particular website itself or access this particular content. You're not authorized to access this particular content itself, guys. Okay, maybe your login logout is not correct. Maybe you don't have the access credentials for that itself. You are not allowed. Go away from here. When you get 400 error, you get a you fucked up error. That means the user fucked up. Okay, if you're getting a 404 error, that means this website does not exist. It does not exist itself. The user fucked up. You fucked up right over here. And then if you're getting a 500 error, that means the backend, the developer fucked up. Okay, the developer who created the website, he's the one who fucked up itself. Are you guys able to understand? No, it is not. These are not errors. These are HTTP status codes. Okay, these are not errors. I'm very sorry if I used error right over here as the word. These are called as HTTP status codes, guys. Okay, are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. I don't know who this particular fellow is, but I don't know what he's writing as well. So I'm just going to remove him from the channel. Okay, guys. So the next thing that we have to do is, as you're able to see right over here, we are getting this error, some document that is a 404 error that this website, this post website does not exist. But this payload, the payload, as you're able to see, headers, payload, preview, response, initiator, timing. Inside of payload, you are able to see that this contains our N1 and N2 data as well, guys. It contains my N1 and N2 data as well. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Okay, this whatever it failed to get, okay, whatever it failed to showcase, this is what contains our N1 and N2 data as well in the backend. That is what we need to access right over there. So what we're going to do is, first we're going to create something that is going to handle the post request for us. So let us create a very simple code to handle the post request. So app.post. Okay, we are going to create an app.post method at the / location. We'll shift it out downstairs itself, guys. Okay, after the get request, let's handle the post request right over here just to make it a little bit more organized. And then we are going to write the function, function function, the anonymous function itself. We're going to take up the request and the response. And then we are going to have the parenthesis right over here, a semicolon at the end. And we are going to send res.send. Thank you for posting. Okay, thank you for posting itself, guys. Very simple, right, guys? Please let me know. Very simple right over here. So I've just created a method to handle the post that is coming up at the / location. That is the root of the website. And we are creating an anonymous callback function that is sending a response that thank you for posting. Very simple thing that I'm doing right over here. Let us go back to our website. Let us reload our website itself. Let us write again 12 and 5 right over here. This time, but we are getting our message as thank you for posting. This time we are getting the message that is thank you for posting, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Tanya Rana, of course, you will be able to complete the data science program itself. You don't have to worry about it. We have a lot of students from commerce backgrounds who are joining us for the same. Okay, just fill up today's attendance and somebody from my team will reach out to you. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, the next thing that we have to do is we need to get the access to that data, the 12 and 5, the data that we posted right over there. If you want to do some calculation, okay, You want to do the calculation in the backend itself. You want to get the data. You have got the data from the post. You are going to keep the data inside the backend. You are going to do something with the data, and the result you want to deliver it back to the website itself. This is what you want to do. So for that, we need the access to that particular data itself, to that payload itself. We need the access to that. So do not worry about it. That is something that we will be doing right now. First, we need to convert all this into something called as a anonymous. Okay, an anonymous arrow function, guys. Up till now, we were using an anonymous callback function. All these functions are called as an anonymous callback function, guys. Right now, we need to learn about something called as an anonymous arrow function. Now, what is this arrow function? This is the latest trend, the latest type of function that exists basically. It is much more smaller in code when compared to your ancient as these type of functions, and it is much more faster than these functions as well. Okay, it is shorter to use, okay, it is shorter to write, and much more easier to understand, and much more faster as well. That is the reason why we are going to use something that is called as an anonymous callback function, sorry, anonymous arrow function itself, guys. So right over here, to create an anonymous arrow function, just remove the term function first of all. Just remove the term function first of all, guys. Put up an arrow right over here. Put up an arrow right over here, guys. Remove the parenthesis. Remove the parenthesis right over here. Remove the parenthesis and the semicolon from right over here, guys. And send it back upstairs. Hey, okay, this is small, so I will just send it right over here that you guys are able to see. So right over here, I'm just sending it in the same line so that you guys are able to see it much more clearly. As you're able to see, this is called as a arrow function, guys. This I've converted my ancient as anonymous callback function into the arrow function, guys. Okay, very simple. You are having your parent, you are having your arguments, you are having your arrow right over here, and then what you want to do with that, what you want to do. So res.send dir name index.html, guys. If you save this, go back to your website and reload the page itself. It is working absolutely fine. It is working absolutely fine, guys. Are you able to see right over here? It is working absolutely fine. Those who are facing a buffer, that is from their end. Vivek Jina, it is from your end, not from my end itself. So please fix up your internet. That is what I will be suggesting to you. So converting a particular function to an arrow function. So let us convert the next particular function into an arrow function. What should I do, guys? What should I do first? Please let me know how to convert this particular function into an arrow function, guys. What should I do right over here? Could you guys let me know? What should I do right over here to convert this function into an arrow function, guys? Please let me know. How to convert this particular function into an arrow function, guys? Remove the term function. Remove the term function. I've removed the term function, guys. What is the next thing? What is the next thing, guys? Create the arrow. Okay, let's create the arrow right over here. What is the next thing, guys? What is next what we have to do? What is next that we have to do, guys? Remove the curly braces. Okay, I've removed the curly braces as well as the semicolon, guys. You have to remove the semicolon as well. Please not forget. And the curly braces. And that is how you are able to get an entire arrow function made directly without doing anything. It is as simple as that, guys. It is as simple as that to create arrow functions. Why do we use arrow functions? It is much more easy to understand. It is much more shorter to write. It is much more faster than your ancient as normal functions itself. That is the reason. These are the three reasons why we use arrow functions over your normal anonymous callback functions itself. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this arrow functions, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this arrow functions, guys? Please let me know. Great, guys. One more thing, guys. I'm going to create a WhatsApp group for us. Okay. I'm able to see a lot of questions as well that are there. So I'll create a WhatsApp group for us, guys. So let me create a WhatsApp group for us. What should I name the group, guys? Let me know. What should we name the group, guys? Please let me know. Any name suggestions for the group, guys? I want a creative name suggestion, guys. Any creative name suggestion that you guys are able to understand? Okay, something creative, guys. Come on. BWD Warriors. Okay. Any creative name, guys? Come on, guys. Backend, DevTown, Blackend Club, DevTown Tigers. Okay, let us name it as. Okay, do you guys know Thunderbirdies? I think so. Somebody has watched the movie recently. That's great. Okay, good. Okay. Okay, let's create the. I will name it as very simple. It's an AMA with Shaurya. Okay. I'll name it as AMA with Shaurya. It's a very simple group. It's not too complicated for me. So let me make this group and let me anything else that I can do upon this. Let me see. Edit group settings, only admins, send message, only admins. Okay. And how to get the link for this? Invite group to link, copy link, and I will send it to me on mail. So I was able to see some of you guys are having a lot of questions related to your own careers and everything. So I usually organize this career guidance session itself. In that we have the session on Zoom in which you guys can come right over there. You guys can ask whatever questions that you guys are having, and I will try my level best to answer the questions as much as possible. But each of the things that will be there, I can only allow like 200 people live at once. Okay, 200 people live at once itself, guys. So due to that particular reason itself, what we are going to do is I'm going to create four groups right over here. Okay, I will create four groups right over here, guys. You guys can join either one of these groups itself, and from there we'll conduct these sessions. Okay, give me a second, guys. I'll create the groups itself, guys. Give me a second. I hate creating groups. MA with Shaurya 1. It takes a lot of time and efforts, I feel so. New group. Next. AMA with Shaurya 2. Create. Group. Next. I think so. How many people are allowed in one group? Do you guys know? How many people are allowed in one group? Do you guys know that? I have no idea. That is the reason why I'm asking. 500 are allowed. 2000 are allowed. I have no idea, dude. Like, I'm creating three groups right now. Let us see if on the three groups itself. Please do not enter into multiple groups, guys. It will be of no use to you. Okay. Make sure that when you are entering into the group, do not let more than 300 people enter into one group. If there are more than 300 people into one group, just leave the group itself. That is something that I will be suggesting. We'll have three groups of 300, 350 people only, so that the career guidance sessions is going. Because see, in the career guidance session, what happens is it's a you. I'm going to answer all your questions during that particular time. Okay, I cannot handle more than that many number of students, right? 300 itself. That's it. So please do not enter more than do not enter multiple groups. Do not get more than 300 people group in one particular group itself. Please try to do that, guys, so that I'm able to organize the boot camps properly, right? So AMA with Area 4. Do not let more than two. Do not enter into multiple groups, guys. If there are more than 300 people in one group, please leave the group. Join another group itself. Do not enter into multiple groups itself, guys. So I've created the groups for you. Let me get the links for every one of them. Paste. AMA 2. paste then AMA. So I will be giving you guys the link to the groups right now itself. You guys can join the groups. I'm not keeping any attendance today, guys. Okay, I'm not keeping up any attendance today. There's a reason behind it because we have changed the timing of the class and everything. So I'm giving you guys one day to adjust to the timing itself. So please make sure that today I'm not giving you guys an attendance. Okay, so that you guys are able to adjust to the timings and everything. Tomorrow we'll of course be having our attendance itself, guys. Also, I'm providing you guys with the mail right, sorry, with the links right now itself. The career guidance session, I want it to be compulsory for you guys. I feel so that you guys will be getting a lot out of it. Okay, please do not let more than 300 people enter into one group. If there are more than 300 people into one group itself, just join some another group itself, guys. That is what I will be suggesting to you guys. I have provided you guys with all the links, I guess. Is it working? I think so. All the links just merge themselves into one link. It's like Power Rangers out there. Let me try to create some gap between the stuff. Okay. I think so. This should work. Maybe. Is this working, guys? Please do check it out. I provided 4 links right over here, guys. The new links, could you check it out? The new links that I've sent it to you guys, could you check that out? New links that are there, guys, could you check it out? The new links should be working, guys. The new links should be working. I've given you guys a new set of links as well. I'm giving you guys a new set of links as well, guys. 4 links right over here. That should be working. Right? That is working for you guys. So please do not enter into more than one particular group. If in one group there are 300 people, please make sure that you're joining some other group itself. Do not join more than one particular group, okay? Because I can only take up career guidance for only 300 people at once, okay? I can only take up career guidance for more than only 300 people at once because I'll be live right over there on Zoom calls and I will try to answer each and every questions that you guys are having. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. Be answering each and every question that you guys are having related to all your careers, all your stuff as well. So you don't have to worry about it. So do not join more than one group, guys. I have provided you guys with the group links. Please make sure that everybody is joining the groups on time. Do not let more than 300 people join one group itself. Okay, I have provided you guys with the group links. Make sure that you guys are joining it on time itself. Tomorrow we will also be doing our project. Okay, so you don't have to worry. So from tomorrow onwards, we'll be starting with our project, guys. The project will be first to figure out how to do this post. Okay, how to get the information from the payload and how to use it in the backend. Okay, that is something that we have to do, right? So make sure that you guys are joining all the groups itself. That's great. Many of you guys have already joined as well. I'm able to see people joining right now as well, guys. For example, on the group 4, I'm having somewhere around 174 participants that are there. On group 3, we are having somewhere around 163 participants. On group 2, we are having somewhere around 157 participants. And on group 1, we are having somewhere around 263 participants, guys. So make sure that you guys are joining one of these groups itself on time, okay? And we'll have the career guidance session. I will create a Zoom link. I'll put it up right over there. You guys can join the career guidance session as well. I'll be helping you guys out with any and every question that you guys are having with, is AI going to take over our jobs? Am I doing the right thing? Am I studying the right thing? Am I going into the right direction? What should I focus upon? What is my aim? How can I achieve that? Whatever questions and queries that you guys are having that I'm not able to cater it right over here, I will be catering it in these Zoom calls itself, guys. So make sure that you guys are putting up your you are joining these sessions and you're joining the groups right now itself. Okay, that's great, guys. I'm able to see almost everybody has joined the groups. So make sure that you guys are joining the groups on time and we'll be conducting the sessions very soon itself, guys. Okay, so today there is no attendance, guys, like I've already said, because again, this is the first day, new timing that is there. That is the reason why. Tomorrow, the session will be at the exact same time. Please make sure that you guys are coming to the session on the right time itself, guys. And we'll be continuing from right over there. The 4 links are working for everybody that is there. Please make sure that you guys are joining the session itself. Okay. when is the session? The session will be, I think so, day after tomorrow. I think so, day after tomorrow should be good, right? So make sure that you guys are able to join right over there itself, guys. Okay. So I'm hoping to see you guys in the career guidance session very soon. Okay, and we'll be continuing from right over there. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Please make sure that not more than 300 people are in the same group. Okay, please, there are 4 groups that I've created for you guys. You can join the other groups as well. Okay, you can join the other groups. Please do not join the first group right now. You can join the other groups because the first group is already like filled up right now, guys. Make sure you're joining the second group, third group, fourth group, and we'll be continuing from tomorrow at the same time at 8:45. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Please do join one of those groups. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye. Today there's no attendance again because new timing is there. People will take time to figure it out. So from tomorrow we'll be having the attendance, guys. Tomorrow same timing at 8:45. We'll be having the class at that point of time, and we'll do everything fine as well. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye, guys. Bye. Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. No issues whatsoever, guys, right? Everything is good. Great, guys. Awesome. Awesome. So, let's do a quick revision, guys. So, what have we studied in our last class? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our last class, guys? Please let me know. Could you guys let me know what have we studied in our last class, guys? We studied about post. We studied about handling post requests as well, right? Get and post commands we have studied up till this point of time, right, guys? We studied about arrow functions as well yesterday. We studied how to create anonymous arrow functions as well, right, guys? That is something that we have done yesterday, right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Great, guys. Awesome. So today what we are going to do is how to get the data that is present inside of our post request, guys. Yesterday we saw that inside when we are submitting the calculator form, right? When we were submitting the calculator form inside of network, we saw yesterday that some kind of data that was getting exchanged, and inside of that, inside of the payload of that data, we were having our N1 and N2 being saved right over there, right, guys? Please let me know. We're having our N1 and N2 that was being saved right over there, guys, right? Please let me know. Good. So that data, how to get it to our backend, how to extract it to our backend, how to use it inside of the backend. That is what we're going to see today, guys. That is what we are going to focus upon and see in today's class, guys. Are you guys ready for it? Please let me know. Are you guys ready for it? Please let me know, guys. Great, awesome. So let's get started. Yesterday there was no attendance because the timing of the class had been changed. That is the reason why yesterday there was no attendance, guys. From today we'll be having the attendance. Okay, from today we'll be having the attendance, guys. Yesterday we had no attendance. Okay, good. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Replit. Let me open up your chat on the left hand side and the Replit on the right hand side, guys. Give me a second. Do that, and we'll open up Replit right over here. We'll use the previous Replit itself. Let me find our previous Replit that we were using. Give me a second, guys. My repls. Inside of that, there were an unnamed 31 repls that we have created. Wall like empty assembly. That is what we were using yesterday. Okay. Today is the last day of bootcamp, day 7. No, not at all. So what I've done is that Today we will be understanding this small project that is there, right? Of creating this calculator app. Okay, creating this calculator app itself. Okay, and then we'll be having some career counseling sessions for the next 3 days. Okay, wherein whatever question that you guys are having, I will be joining you guys on Zoom calls and I will be helping you guys out with those questions. And then we will be thinking about something else. Okay, you don't have to worry about it, guys. Focus upon the class. Make sure you are learning right over here. Okay, so right over here, our first particular thing that we have to do is start our server itself, guys. So we'll go into shell. We'll go into our folder cd intro to node, right? We'll start our server node mon server.js. That is what we are going to start right over here. As you're able to see, we have started our server on the port 8000, guys. So we'll open up our browser, guys. Let's open up our browser right over here, web view. Let's open it up on a new website itself. We don't require it. Right over here, guys, we are having our calculator itself. If we go into right click, inspect option, network, just like yesterday we saw network, right, guys? We go into our network right over here. Let me decrease it, and we write our numbers. So 12 and 5, guys. 12 and 5. You can put any random number right over here. We click on this particular calculate button. As I'm able to see, something happened right over here, guys. Something happened right over here. Okay, did you guys see that? Please let me know. Some kind of data exchange happened and it is returning a status of 200 itself, guys. And that we saw it yesterday, that it is showing to us that inside of the payload of that, we are having our 12 and 5 present right over here. So this payload actually exists inside of this post request that we are getting. Okay, the post request that we are getting right over here. This request, let me increase the size. This post request that we are getting right over here, guys, it is containing our data of N1 and N2. There's something called as body inside of this post request, because this request has a lot of different things, guys. Let me show it to you guys. Okay, so I will put up a console.log right over here. Console.log. Console.log, and I will log out the request that is coming up right over here, guys. So whenever I'm getting a post request, okay, I'm also logging out the entire request inside of the console just to see the request. What is the information contained inside of the request itself, guys? So what we are going to do, we are going to go back to our website. When we go back to our website itself, guys, we are going to put some numbers, 12 and 5 once again, guys, right over here, 12 and 5. We're going to click on this particular calculate button. Now, if we go back to our console, you guys are able to see this entire information that you are able to see right over here. This is your request. This is the post request that is actually coming in, guys. This is the entire post request that is actually coming in. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this, guys? Please let me know. This is the post request that is coming in, guys. I've just console.log. I've just printed out the entire post request right over here, guys. Are you able to see? I'm still scrolling. I'm continuously scrolling right over here. There are so much information that is present right over here, guys. A lot of information that is present up right over here. Okay, so this information actually contains our N1, N2 data as well. That is 12 and 5. This post request that is there contains our N1 and N2 data as well, guys. That is what we want to look forward to. Okay, we want to look forward to the N1 and N2 itself, guys. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to install a new particular stuff right over here called as the body parser, guys. We will we'll go to npmjs.com, guys. I'm going to search for a new package called as the body parser, guys. Body parser. Now this body parser basically helps you to parse the request. Whatever request contains the N1 and N2. We don't require all that information, right, guys? We don't require all that information that is present inside of the request. What we require is just the N1 and N2, guys. To take it out from right over there, we are going to use something called as the body parser, guys. Okay, so first thing that we are going to do is we have to install the npm install body parser, guys. We have to install it first of all. Let us copy it out. Let us paste it right over here. So we'll paste it right over here, guys. And we'll install it. Okay, so we'll install the body parser. Whenever you install an npm package to use it, what do we do? What is the next step, guys? Could you guys remind me? Whenever we install a body parser, what is the next step? What do we do after that, guys? Could you guys let me know? Once we have installed a npm package, what is the next step, guys? Can you guys remind me? Please let me know. We have to require that package. Again, guys, amazing. We have to require that package, guys. So we're going to create a const called as body parser, B-O-D-Y body, P-A-R-S-E-R parser is equals to require, require. And then we are going to paste our body parser right over here. So we'll require the body parser right over here, guys. Next, we are going to tell our app, we are going to tell our Express app to use this body parser. Okay, we are going to tell our Express app to use this particular body parser, guys. So app.use, and then we are going to ask him to use the body parser. Now this body parser, so what is the meaning of the term parser in normal English, guys? Could you guys let me know? Could you guys let me know what is the meaning of the term parser in normal English, guys? Could you guys let me know? Yes, you have to write exactly the name as it is written on the npm website. Can you guys let me know what is the meaning of the term parser in normal English, guys? To translate something. Okay, to translate something. So this body parser basically parses a lot of different types of data into various different kinds of data itself. Okay, it is not just used on your Express requests itself. It is used on a lot of different kinds of data. But right now we have a particular use for it, right? This body parser can parse a lot of different types of data for you. But right now, right over here, we have a particular use case for it. Due to that reason, we are going to use only one of its method, that is called as the URL encoded method, guys. We're going to use only one of its method, that is called as the URL encoded. So you're going to write body parser dot URL encoded, guys. That is the method that we are going to use right now. This method is used to encode your requests to make it useful for us. Okay, that is the reason why we are using the URL encoded method. This is the one for our requests in particular itself. And we have to tell it that extended is true, because we are getting an extended form of the request, right, guys? The extended form of the request we are getting. We saw how the request looks like, right? When we went to shell, you are able to see how long this request is. So the extended, okay, form of the request is true, guys. So that is something that we have to tell our code itself, that okay, URL encoded. In this particular aspect, we are going to have our extended as true. So put in some curly braces, extended, and that should be true, guys. That should be true right over here. Are you guys able to understand why we are writing extended is equals to true? Are you guys able to understand why we are writing extended is equals to true, guys? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Great. Once you have done that, we'll get back inside of our post request, guys. We'll get back inside of our post request. Okay. Inside of a post request, we do no longer require the console.log request. Okay, that is no longer required. So we'll just remove it from right over here. What we're going to do is we are going to, so that n1 and n2 that is there, the numbers, okay, n1 and n2 numbers are now, because we have used body parser URL encoded, which has encoded our entire request itself, and that too in the extended form. It will save it inside of the request as something called as the body. Now you are able to access the request itself. Up till now we were not able to access the request. Now we can access the request due to the body parser method. To access the data present in the request, we are going to create a variable called as num1 that is going to contain our request dot body. Inside of the body, our entire data is kept right over here, guys. Okay, our entire data is kept inside of our request body itself, and from that the name of the first number is n1. The name of the first number is n1, guys. Similar to that, var num2 is equals to request dot body. We are accessing it by the body itself, that is n2, guys. That is the second number that we are putting up right over there. The third thing that we have to do is we have to calculate the result. So var res is equals to that is result is equals to num1 plus num2. Okay, we're just adding the two numbers up, guys. We are just adding the two numbers up. Okay, now we are going to write the result of your calculation is plus result. Okay, we're going to save this right over here, guys. We're going to save this right over here. So what we have done right now is that we have saved from our request.body.n1 whatever number, the first number that we were entering into a variable called as n1, num1, the second number into a variable called as num2, and the third variable we are creating, that is saving the complete result, that is num1 plus num2. That's the addition right over here, guys. What is the use of body? So your body.parser method, however, it has passed the entire request itself. The data, the payload that is there is now saved inside of the body of request. The request has something called as a body that you are now able to access due to the body parser method, and inside of that we have saved the n1. That is the first number that we are having right over there, guys. So now that we have saved it right over here, we can go back to our shell and we can run our code itself, guys. We can run our code right over here. That is nodemon-server.js, guys. Okay, now you will be able to see that there will be one problem that we will be facing. Okay, as soon as I'm opening it up, you will be able to see that our what should be the answer, guys? 12 plus 5. What should be the answer, guys? 12 plus 5. What should be the answer? Please let me know. What will be the answer, guys? 12 plus 5. According to us, 12 plus 5 is 17, right? But when I run this, you will get another answer, guys. You will get 125. Why is that the case? Instead of getting 17, we are getting 125 right over here. The reason is that because our data that we are entering, that 12 and 5 are treated as strings, guys. They are treated as strings, not as numbers right now. Due to that particular reason itself, instead of adding the two numbers up, it is getting concatenated. So what we need to do, we need to go back to our code. We need to go back to our code and we need to explicitly change the data type of this particular value. We need to change this data type from string to numbers, guys. So for that, we'll put it up into parenthesis and write number, number in front of it. Okay, we'll put both of them into parenthesis and write number in front of it, guys. So this will change our data type from string to a number, guys. This will change our data type from string to a number, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. It will change the data from a string into a number. Okay, so now when we save it, okay, when we save it, we are using nodemon, so our shell will immediately reset it. Okay, we can go back to our website, redo the exact same stuff, and right now when I'm entering 12 and 5 right over here, guys, I'm entering 12 and 5 right over here and clicking on calculate, we are getting the answer as 17. We're getting the answer as 17 itself, guys. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? And this calculation is happening in the backend. We are not doing the calculation in the front end, guys. The data is going to the backend on a server. The calculation is happening. We don't know what calculation it is doing. As a user, I don't know what calculation it is doing. In the backend, whatever calculation that you want to do, if you want to make a square root, you want to do something else, you can do it. And then just the answer is coming back to my screen itself, guys. Just the answer is coming back to my screen. That is the beauty of backend. That is the beauty of backend, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this, guys? Please do let me know. It is simple, right, guys? Is it simple or is it difficult for you guys to understand? Please let me know. Why don't we do the operation in front end? We can do it in front end, but our purpose is to understand how does the backend work. Here I've used a very simple example to explain it to you how it works. You can do anything. You can create your very own scientific formula that you have created and you don't want to share it with the rest of the world. What in that particular case, you don't want to share the formula with the entire world itself. So you keep it in the backend itself. Right now, I've just used a very simple thing to make you understand. To make you understand the concept itself, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know. Guys, the class has just started right now. How will I give the attendance if the class has just started right now? Okay, so I'm giving you guys a very simple assignment for today. Can you guys do everything that I've done up till this particular point of time? Referring, so I don't know if you guys know about it or not, but if you go to our channel on YouTube, okay, so this is our YouTube channel right over here, guys, DevTown YouTube channel, right? If you go to our channel, you go into the live section. There is home, videos, shorts, live, playlist. Go to the live section itself. You will be able to find all the videos of all our boot camps right over here. The current boot camp that we are having, all the videos you will be able to find right over here. Taking these videos into reference. Can you guys practice whatever we have done up till this particular point of time, guys? Please let me know. Can you guys practice once before coming to the next class? Whatever we have done up till this point of time, guys, please let me know. You guys will be able to do it, right, guys? I have full confidence. I know you guys are very smart. You guys will easily be able to do it, guys. Okay? Do you guys have the same trust? Please let me know, guys. Amazing, amazing, guys. I love you so much. Okay, great. Definitely try it out today. Okay, today spend half an hour, try it out wherever you get stuck. Note it down, try to Google it up, take the classes into reference itself. I'll provide you guys with the HTML code as well. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so right now itself, I'll provide you guys with the HTML code as well, guys. Provide you guys with the HTML code right now itself. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, index open. Index.html. Share. Anyone with the link, viewer, copy, done. Can you guys try it out, guys? Please let me know. Great. So I'm providing the HTML form down, HTML. Okay, right over here, save. Okay. No, this is not the last class, guys. No, this is not the last class. We'll be having one career counseling session. So I've created 4 groups, right? So in the 4 groups, I will be taking up 3 career counseling sessions for the next 3 days, wherein you guys can come up live to the Zoom class and I will be answering your questions right over there. I'll be helping you guys out with all your questions. So you don't have to worry about it. Whatever question that you are having related to your own careers or what should you be studying, what is... So, see, try to understand this, guys. I started out my career as a data analyst, then a data scientist. I joined Google right over there. I worked in Google for a year. That's great, right? But along with the same, inside of like DevTown as well, for the past 2 years, I have placed more than 7,000 students with an average package of 17 lakhs per annum. I've placed more than 7,000 students in the last 2 years at an average package of 17 lakhs per annum. This month itself, I've placed 12 students into Google at 60 lakhs per annum, guys. Along with that, I'm one of the technical recruiters for more than 15 different companies. I create the interviews, I take up the interviews, I hire the students, provide it to the companies as well. So doing all that, I have a lot of experience or understanding where you guys are going wrong. What are you not studying properly itself? Whether that will get you the placement that you want or not. So all these different things that I have done, I will be explaining it to you guys. Whatever questions that you guys are having, I'll be helping you guys out with that as well. Why did you leave Google? Very simple. I got a better package somewhere else. Okay. They offered me 30-40% more. I joined there. Sir, don't have laptops. So how can I practice? See, that is the reason why we are using Repellent. Repellent, you can open it from a mobile phone as well. You can open it from a mobile phone. Okay. That is the reason why Harsh Mishra we are having the career counseling sessions itself. Okay. So please send the group links again. Yesterday's link is not working. Sure, I will send the group links once again, guys. Not worry about it. Like I said, I'm always there for you guys. Okay. Give me a second. Let me check where I have sent the email. First, I will have to identify that because I don't even remember it. I think so. These were the group links. For those who want to join the career counseling sessions, I have sent you guys the links yesterday as well. I'm sending you guys another set of links right now as well. There are three session links. I have sent it to you guys. So you guys can definitely join the sessions from using this link itself, guys. And it will be great for you guys to start out from right over there. Project, we will be starting it after the career counseling sessions itself, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay, once the 3 career counseling sessions is over, so then we'll start out with the project as well, so you don't have to worry about it. The project is going to be very simple. We're going to build the calculator app with a lot of other buttons as well. Currently we are just having a addition button, right? We'll try to work on 2-3 more buttons right over there. Okay, that is the project that we'll be working upon. It will be a very simple project, very easy to do project as well. The only thing that I want you guys to focus upon is that you should first of all do the assignment, okay, so that you are able to understand the concepts very clearly, and then the project will just be a piece of cake for you guys. The project will be just a piece of cake for you guys. Okay, so I provided you guys with the WhatsApp group links as well. So if you don't have a laptop, like I've already said, Repel it, you can use it from your mobile phone as well. You can use it from your mobile phone as well, guys. Okay, so this is the video that you guys are currently watching, right? This is the video that you guys are currently watching. If you guys, yes, the career counseling will also have attendance associated with it. Okay, the career counseling, you have to attend one of the career counseling sessions. And yes, the career counseling will have an attendance associated with it as well. Okay, so right over here, guys, as you are able to see. So on the basis of your attendance for Bootcamp, you will be getting Google and Microsoft certificates, right? On the basis of your Google, attendance for your bootcamp itself, you will be getting a Google and your Microsoft certificate itself, guys. Okay, on the basis of the attendance of just the career counseling session, on the basis of the attendance of just the career counseling session itself, you will be given the Amazon certificate as well. So not just the Google and Microsoft, but on the basis of your career counseling session, you will be given the Amazon certificate as well, guys. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. I've taken care about everything for you guys. Okay. Day 6 had no attendance, guys. Day 6 had no attendance itself. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. So in the description of the video itself, guys, if you go there, you will be able to see the HTML file right over here, guys. Okay, you will be able to see the HTML file right over here in the description of the video. If you are not able to see it, you can refresh the entire website to see it once again, guys. Okay, you can refresh the entire website to see the HTML link down the description of the video itself, guys. Okay, in the description of the current video that you guys are currently watching. Okay, the description of the current video that you guys are currently watching, in the description of the video you will be able to find the link to the HTML. Okay, in the HTML link itself, guys. Okay, this is where you will be able to access the file. If you're not able to see it, just refresh the entire website, you will be able to see it, guys. Okay, great, guys, amazing. So you don't have to attend the career counseling session, all the career counseling session. You have to just attend one. In every group, I will be sharing one attendance, one session itself, guys. You have to attend that. Along with that, the timings of the session will be the exact same. That is from 8:45 itself. Okay. Okay, great, guys. The next thing that is there is, I don't know, do you guys know that DevTown also organizes this industrial training and internship? So all the 7,000 students that I said that have been placed at 17 lakhs per annum as the average salary, the average highest salary at 60 lakhs per annum, and the lowest salary at 9 lakhs per annum itself. For that, we conduct a training and internship program. Do you guys know about it? Please let me know. Do you guys know about it, guys? Please let me know. Do you guys know about it, guys? Please let me know. So we have this industrial training and internship. What we figured out was that the students don't know the exact path to what to study, what to do, how to get an internship, how to get a job at the end as well. For that, we started out with the industrial training program that we are having right over here. Okay. So what we do is for 3 months, we train you guys in everything that you need to know about full stack web development. Anything and everything that you guys need to know, whether it be data structures and algorithms, competitive programming, front-end web development in React, back-end web development in MongoDB, Express, React, Node.js, all these things. You are having your cloud computing with AWS. You are having your DevOps, that is Docker, Kubernetes, CI/CD, all these different things itself. We train you guys from the utmost basic level. At the most basic level itself, guys. That is the most simplest of the stuff. Even if you don't know what is programming, from that level to a level wherein you are able to, you will be trained to create applications like the entire Zomato clone, the entire Book My Show clone itself. Okay, and at the end of that as well, we don't stop right over there. We give you guys a 1 month guaranteed internship with the company of your choosing. Now, what do I mean by that? You guys will be like, "Hey, what do you mean by that itself?" For example, in data analysis and software engineering, we are having companies like Cognizant, Deloitte, Boston Consulting Group, KPMG, Tata, Accenture, British Airways. These are the companies that are offering our students a 1 month guaranteed internship without any exams, without any interviews, nothing. If you are doing the training, you are learning everything that you need to learn for an internship, and we are providing you guys with a guaranteed internship with these companies. For full stack web development itself, we have companies like Cisco, Commonwealth Bank, JB Morgan and Chase, Amazon, Walmart, HP, Infosys, Accenture. Amazon, Walmart, JB Morgan and Chase, Cisco, they don't even go to many of the colleges as well. They don't even go right over there. And to be able to get a chance to do a 1 month completely online, completely remote internship with them, is a once in a lifetime opportunity itself. For cybersecurity and software engineering as well, we have companies like Mastercard, ANZ, JP Morgan and Chase, and PwC. These are the 4 companies that are there. Because the entire training is of 3.5 months itself, with instructors from Google, Microsoft, Amazon coming every single day, teaching you guys every single day for 2 hours. Due to that particular reason itself, we have to pay these instructors. We cannot organize. So even I take up one of the training and internship program from 10 to 12 o'clock in the night. That is one of the programs that I take up. So we have to pay the instructors to take up the programs, to come right up there, to solve the doubts and everything that is there, guys. Due to that particular reason itself, the entire program will we take up only 40 students in one batch. We have recently started out with one batch. We have already got somewhere around 13 people that have already enrolled. So right now we are having somewhere around 27 seats that are still left. It comes up with the entire training with a 1 month guaranteed internship with the company of your choosing, as well as 3 months of internship certificate from DevTown as well. We don't stop right over there. Then we go into your placements. We train you guys for your interviews. We train you guys for your LinkedIn, GitHub, resume optimization. And then we have your placements starting right over there. The 4 methods in which we do your placements. The first particular thing, if you have done well in the internship, this 1 month guaranteed internship, if you have done well in it, you get your placements from right over there. You get your placements from right over there itself. If you are not able to get your placements from there, the second particular stuff that we do is through our partner program. We are having 36 different companies. So anytime that you guys have seen our attendance, you must have seen this, that we are having these 36 different companies that are our placement facilitators itself. These 36 different companies hire almost 800 students from us on a monthly basis. And that is where we give our most of our placements right over there itself. The third particular way is through our referral program. These are the instructors that teach in our classes. These instructors are from McKinsey and Company, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, Cisco, Oracle, Microsoft, and all these companies. So we get referrals from these instructors and their friends, and we provide it to our students. And the last particular way of placement is through our entire placement portal itself, wherein companies put it up right over here and we get our placements from there itself. The average package that we are having after the program is 17 lakhs per annum, highest being 60 and the lowest being 9 lakhs per annum itself, guys. We have started our very first enrollments, okay? We have started our very first enrollments right now into our program itself. The entire training is going to be completely online. The entire training is going to be completely online. The entire internship is going to be completely online itself. The cost for the entire training program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST, because we have to pay to our instructors, we have to get them to the classes, we have to make sure that our costs are being measured right over here. The cost of the entire program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. If you are doing well in the internship, you also get stipend associated with the internship as well, so you don't even have to worry about that. If you're doing well in the internship, you get stipend associated with your internship as well. So we handle everything for you guys, from not knowing anything to creating amazing projects to learning data structure algorithms, competitive programming, to doing your first internship with DevTown for 3 months, one internship of your choosing, of the company of your choosing, which has companies such as Mastercard, JP Morgan and Chase, PwC, Amazon, you are having Walmart, all these different companies that are there, once in a lifetime opportunity. And then you are having your finals, that is your basic placements and your placement in trainings and all those kind of stuff. The entire cost is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. The entire internship is completely remote, completely online itself. Okay, so that is what we conduct right over there itself. For those guys, can you guys let me know how many of you guys are interested to join the training program? Because we only have 27 seats that are there. If the seats get filled up, that's great. I can just like I'm fine with it, so that we are able to start the entire program as soon as possible. Okay, so what is the how many of you guys are interested in the training and internship program itself, guys? Please let me know. So we will only be able to take in 27 people itself. We'll not be able to take in more than that. That I'm telling you guys from right now itself. I'm very sorry, but we actually can't take in more than that, because in one class we can only put 40 students itself. That their doubts are being solved, are giving individual attention itself. For we have students joining us from Nigeria, Kenya, Pakistan, Africa. We have students joining us from UAE, UK. We have students joining us from Indonesia as well. So all these different people that are there out there, they join the program, they get their internships, even the jobs as well. We provide remote jobs to the students out there as well. The total cost of the program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. It's entirely first come first basis itself. We don't take up any more people. The fees has been broken down into two particular halves, guys. We have broken down the fees into two particular halves. So the 3,500 rupees we have broken down into two separate halves. The first half is the pre-registration fees, that is 500 rupees, to make sure that you guys are given the seat right over there. Your seat is not going to go to any other person. Your seat is reserved right over there itself. And whenever you want to start the program, at that point of time, the rest of the 3,000 rupees plus 18% GST will have to be paid. In dollars, the entire price of the entire program is $54 to be exact. The entire price of the entire program will be $54 to be exact, guys. Okay, so like I said, those guys who want to reserve their seat right now, so that their seats are not going to any other person, I'm going to provide you guys with the pre-registration link itself. Okay, so for those guys who want to join the entire training and internship program, that comes up with the 1 month guaranteed internship, as well as the entire training. And the entire training, you will be given lifetime access to it. So you don't have to worry about it, guys. You'll be given the lifetime access to it, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. So I've provided you guys with the pre-registration link as well in the live chat, as you are able to see right over here. If you click on this particular link, it will open that link up. This is the pre-registration link. You are able to see 500 rupees plus 18% GST itself. as soon, if you want to register your seat right now itself, you guys can do it right now. And on the basis of that, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you, will be proceeding with the further things as well, and will be helping you guys out throughout the entire process. This includes the 1 month guaranteed internship with companies like Amazon, British Airways, Accenture, KPMG, JP Morgan and Chase, Walmart, and many more. The point that I'm trying to say right now is that we have this 1 month guaranteed internship available for this batch. Will it be available for the next batch or not? I don't know. The training will be there. Everything else will be there. But the 1 month guaranteed internship, will it be there or not? I cannot guarantee for that. For this batch, it is there. You can reschedule your entire training. You can reschedule your entire internship at any particular point of time. For example, you're joining right now, but you're having the exams next month. So you guys can reschedule your entire training, that I will start my training after 2 months. You can register right now completely and reschedule it after 6 months as well, your entire internship. So you will be able to do it. Okay. You don't have to worry about anything, guys. So I'm studying degree second year. Am I eligible for this? Anybody and everybody who's interested to join the program itself who wants to build a career into full stack development is eligible for this entire training and internship, guys. So currently, as soon as 20 seats will be filled up, this link will stop working, guys. Okay, this link will stop working as soon as the entire seats are filled up. Are undergraduate eligible? Yes, of course, undergraduates are eligible itself. Okay, we need to pay for internship. Haha. Also, so Thomasian, if you are able to get your internship on your own, it's fine. Definitely go for it. Okay. There's no point in that. The point is that the training, the internship is completely free. We are not charging anything for the internship. The internship comes with a stipend if you're doing well as well. We are training you guys for the training. We are charging you guys for the training itself. The training that is getting you guys ready to do the internship itself. That is what we are charging you guys. And the internship, if you are able to get it on your own, that's great. These internships are giving to us because of the level that we are training our students. Okay, so that is the only point. Like I've already said, guys, for those students who want to join the training and internship, they can do their pre-registration right now itself, and we'll be helping you guys out with the entire thing. Rohit Goswami, the entire training program is available to you with lifetime access, so you don't have to worry about that. How much are the placements earning in actually in dollars? Hans, if you are not able to compare it, 17 lakh rupees. Just convert it into 1.7 million rupees itself, converted into dollars. That I think so. It's approximately how much? $20,000, I guess. That will be around $20,000 itself. So, like I said, guys, those who are interested to join the training and internship program, I've already provided to you guys with the link itself. You guys can definitely join the program. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. If I am not graduated, am I still eligible? Yes. Most of the students that join us are from the first year itself. Most of the students that join us are from the first year itself. That is why we create the entire pathway for them itself. Okay. The next thing, what are the prerequisites to enter into the program? The prerequisite is just that you should be able to understand my English. Okay, just that you should be able to understand my English itself. Okay, the internship will be completely online, completely remote itself. You don't have to worry about it. For those guys who are having any questions or queries related to the program, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number as well. I'm providing you guys a WhatsApp number. You can reach out to us right over here. No, we have data science, we have full stack as well as cybersecurity. So those guys who are interested to join the program, or those guys who are having any kind of questions or queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number as well. Sir, is laptop needed for doing an internship? No, not at all. You can use Amazon workspaces. So most of the companies will provide you guys with an Amazon workspace to work right over there. You can do the entire training as well as the internship from your mobile phone as well, guys. So you don't have to worry about it. Okay. When does the training start? As soon as you have completed your full registration, you guys can start with the training immediately. So I've already provided you guys with the registration link as well as the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp link as well. If you guys have any questions or any queries related to the program, you guys can approach us right over there. Okay, and they will be able to help you guys out with that. Right now, I'll be sending you guys the attendance link for today's class. Okay, I'll be sending you guys the attendance link for today's class right now. See, if you are registering it at a later point of time, I cannot promise if you will be able to get the 1 month guaranteed internship. Right now, if you're registering right now, then you have the 1 month guaranteed internship right now itself. You can reschedule your entire training to start from the next month. You can reschedule the entire internship to start from a few months ago as well. That is something that you can definitely do. Okay, so I will be providing you guys with the attendance link right now. If you guys have any questions or any queries, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number, or you can do your pre-registration from right over there, and we'll be able to help you guys out. I'm creating your attendance link right now. Give me a second. Yes, Vishal, you are still eligible for that. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Okay, so let me create the attendance link for you guys. Like I've said, guys, this is a once in a lifetime opportunity for you guys. These companies like Amazon, JP Morgan and Chase don't even come to most of the colleges. Being a chance to get a guaranteed internship with them is something that you will not be able to get at any other place, guys. Okay, so if you guys are interested to join, I've already provided you guys with the WhatsApp link as well as the registration link. Okay, in the attendance, please fill the attendance properly, guys. If you are interested, if and only if you are interested in the 1 month guaranteed internship, please mark which particular field you are interested in. If you are not interested in that, just mark no, I don't want to get the 1 month guaranteed internship. If you are marking one of these, somebody from DevTown will be reaching out to you guys and will be helping you guys out right over there. Okay, so if you are not interested into getting the 1 month guaranteed internship, into enrolling for the entire training program itself, the cost of the entire training program is 3,500 rupees plus 18% GST. We don't provide this to anybody else. On our website as well, you will not be able to find this. The reason is because this is something that we do with just colleges. We have almost 90 colleges that we are partnered up with. We train their students, we place their students directly. So that is how we take up some seats that get left at the end. We provide it in the bootcamp directly. That is the reason why we will not be able to see this on the website. Okay, so this program, if you guys want to participate in it, just fill up which particular field that you are interested in. If you're not interested in it, if you do not want to grow yourself, you don't want to get the skills and everything, just mark no, I don't want to get the 1 month guaranteed internship. Okay, so please fill the attendance link properly. I'm sending you guys the attendance link in the live chat right over here. So is this the one with the guaranteed internship online? Yes, that is the one. Okay, so I'm sending you guys the attendance link right now. Please fill the attendance link properly, guys. Okay, please fill the attendance link properly. If and only if you are interested, then mark which field you are interested in. If you're not interested, just mark no, I don't want the 1 month guaranteed internship. Okay, so that we are able to help the students who are actually interested in it. Okay, who actually wants to grow, we are able to help them out. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. I've already provided you guys the attendance. I hope to see some of you guys joining us for the training and internship program as well. And the others, I hope to see you guys in the future bootcamp. So thank you so much, guys. Have a great night ahead. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys.